What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to test out a new impact that I got. Having these wheels and tires, right, and having the welds with the BF Goodrich TAs. I need a way to switch them quick. Like, say if I'm at the drag, if I want to go for a, go to the strip or something, and I don't want to, if it's far away and I don't want to put the miles on my good tires, go there on these. And then when I get to the track, swap them, right, like that. Or if I'm out at the farm and stuff, a lot helped my uncle this summer, which I plan on. I don't want to be banging the welds with the gravel. So I figured I'd buy a cordless impact and make life easier. Anyways, let's get right into it and see what it is. It is from Amazon. It's the AVID Power 20 volt max cordless impact wrench. It was about, I think, like 150, 160 bucks Canadian. It had like 7,600 reviews and a 4.5 rating. So I figured, might as well give it a chance, right? So then it took a few days, like maybe a day or two to get here. So let's, as you can see, it's in a pouch. So let's open it up and see what's inside, shall we? Alright, fresh out of the box, we're greeted with this really nice, carrying pouch. Like this. I like this, and it's nice and small. You can store it underneath the rear seats. Nice and compact. Let's find the zippers and see. Oh, I guess it goes that way. What's inside? Sorry, guys. Doing this one hand here. Okay. So that's a heavy Bertha there. We've got the driver. Hang on a sec, guys. Let me pull the bag off. Doing this. It's not. There we go. Oh, and it comes with a little bit of a charge already. So that's awesome. Not bad looking little unit, if I do say so myself. It's got the charger here, which before I test it, I'm going to go home, charge the battery up fully, and then that way we'll see if it'll bust the lugs in it loose on the tires. So it comes with was this a belt clip, I believe? Yeah, a belt clip, and it's got some sockets. 11/16. What do we got here? 3/4, and they're all deep wall impact sockets, which is awesome. 13/16. And the last guy here, it's a 15/16. So you got quite the range of stuff to, that you can do with just right fresh out of the pack. So I think that's pretty nifty. And of course you got your little instruction book here. And tie down, I guess, strap for the, I don't know, maybe the charger goes here? Not too sure. Huh. Anyways, what we'll do is charge it up, and we will be back to see how it performs. And with that, folks, she's all charged up. I went and checked out the book, and this is what we're working with here for the specs. So it's enough to bust that loose. Let's find out. I'm going to set up the flashlight so you can see it a bit, and then I'm going to go down there and we're going to see what it'll do. Alright, folks, let's see what happens here. We'll go with this top one here, and we'll see if it'll pop it off. I don't think it will. Oh, it's just rounding the shit out of it. This is rounding the shit out of it. Look at this one, won't either. No, it just rounds it. This socket's, I'm gonna have to find the right size and try it again. But this seems to be wanting to round it. Huh. Alright, let's try this again. The wheel on here wasn't on at all. I just put it back on because it needed to be. So, figured, these are the right size for this. And it's not gonna strip, so let's try it here. she works actually not bad. If you got the right size. Make sure it's right. Oh. Ah, come on. There, one last job. There. Now I'll be able to get this thing down and back off the ground too, because I got that bike to finish over there. But let's see how the removal is. Let's just crack this one here loose and see how it works. Oh yeah. Yep, that worked actually not too bad. So I guess what I'm gonna have to do then is get the right size socket for my wheels. What am I doing? There. Just gonna have to get the right size socket for my wheels and try again, because this 15/16 is way too big, and well, it strips my wheel nuts. Oh, sorry, it's rounding them off, this one and this one, so they're gonna be a bitch to get off. Fun. Anyways, guys, that's where I'm gonna wrap it up. What do you think of the new Impact? Hopefully I can get the right size socket, and we'll test it to actually see how it works on the truck. Comment down below, do you think fuck's sakes, I hate when I hit the wrong button. Anyways, comment down below, think it'll knock the wheel nuts loose on the truck. It's 50-50 at this point. So anyways, that's my quick review on the AVID Power 500 newton meter 20 volt, this guy right here. So it seems to work okay for old stuff. We'll find out how it works for that when I get the new but until then, take care of yourself. Love you guys. God bless.